Hello students, The Monkey and the Crocodile. This story is very interesting and it is taken from पंचतंत्र book. आप सभी भी बुक्स पढ़ते होंगे, स्टोरीज पढ़ते होंगे. ओके, तो दिस स्टोरी इज़ ऑल्सो टेकन फ्रॉम पंचतंत्र. और पंचतंत्र की स्टोरीज कैसी होती हैं? वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. सो टुडे वी विल रीड दिस स्टोरी, द मंकी एंड द क्रोकोडाइल. Once on the bank of a river, a monkey made a home for himself in a tree laden with fruit. There was a monkey and his home was on river's side, on the bank of river. River के किनारे पर एक monkey रहता था and he was living on a tree. And that tree was laden with fruit. Laden means full of. Tree वो किससे भरा हुआ था? Fruit से. He lived in it happily, eating to his heart's content the fruit of his choice. And the monkey was very happy there. बहुत खुश था and heart's content, और दिल भर कर जितना मन उसका करता था, he used to eat the fruits. The monkey was happy but lonely and wanted a companion. Companion means friend. To talk to and share the fruits with. But he wanted a friend. He was not having any friend and he was very lonely on that tree. But there was no one around, not even another monkey. Till one day a crocodile appeared on the river's side. But what happened one day? He saw a crocodile on the river's side. "Hello there," said the monkey. "Do you live in this river? Would you like to eat some fruits?" अरे आओ मंकी ने उससे पूछा कि डू यू लिव इन दिस रिवर, क्या तुम इसी नदी में रहते हो, और इफ़ यू वांट टू ईट सम फ्रूट्स. गुड मॉर्निंग, रिप्लाइड द क्रोकोडाइल पोलाइटली. द क्रोकोडाइल वॉज वेरी पोलाइट एंड ही सेड गुड मॉर्निंग. आई डिड कम हियर इन सर्च ऑफ फूड फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड माई वाइफ. नाइस ऑफ यू टू ऑफर मी फ्रूट. क्रोकोडाइल ऑल्सो सेड दैट यू आर वेरी नाइस दैट यू आर आस्किंग मी फॉर फ्रूट्स. बहुत अच्छे हैं आप. आपने मुझसे किसके लिए पूछा? फ्रूट्स के लिए पूछा. The monkey plucked some from the nearest branch and threw them down. The monkey plucked means he plucked the fruits from the tree. उसने fruits को तोड़ा and then he gave those fruits to the crocodile. The crocodile found them delicious. They were very tasty. "Thanks," he said. "May I have some on my next visit?" He said, "Would you please give me some more fruits on my next visit?" "Certainly," he said. "Surely." हाँ बिल्कुल, क्यों नहीं. "As many as you like and some for your wife too." मंकी ने कहा मैं तुम्हें भी दूंगा और तुम्हारी वाइफ को भी दूंगा. "Do come again, I'm rather lonely here." "Please do come again." फिर से आना. The crocodile visited the monkey regularly and ate the fruits which his host threw down. Who is host? The monkey. He took some home for his wife. Now the crocodile took the fruits for his wife also. The monkey and the crocodile were now the best of friends. They became friends and they talked and were never tired of talking. They used to talk too much. They talked about birds, animals, about the villagers nearby and the difficulties villagers faced in raising good crops for lack of rain. क्या क्या बातें करते थे वो दोनों? खूब बातें करते थे. बर्ड्स के बारे में, अबाउट द एनिमल्स, अबाउट द विलेजर्स एंड द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ विलेजर्स विच दे वर हैविंग बिकॉज lack of the rain was not happening, so there were no good crops. One day the crocodile stayed with the monkey longer than usual. एक दिन वो थोड़ी देर ज़्यादा मंकी के पास रुका. His wife was annoyed waiting and waiting, managing the little crocodiles that had just been hatched. Hatched means came out. Now the wife of crocodile, she was waiting for the husband crocodile and he was not coming, and she was very much tired, she was very much fed up to handle the crocodiles, the little crocodiles, the small baby crocodiles. She said, who is this friend of yours you are so fond of? Fond of means you like. The wife crocodile said, ये आपका ऐसा कौन सा दोस्त है जिससे आप इतनी बातें करते हैं? आपने इतनी देर लगा दी. I was very much tensed. Oh, he is very nice monkey, he replied. He lives on a fruit tree. He sends fruits for you every day. Whatever fruits you eat every day, that is given by him. You don't expect me to climb trees, do you? अरे तुम्हें तो पता है आई एम नॉट एबल टू क्लाइम द ट्रीज, मैं ट्रीज पे नहीं चढ़ सकता. इसलिए क्या मैं ये फ्रूट्स मुझे कौन देता है? वो मंकी. A nice monkey, I'm sure, replied the wife with obvious sarcasm. Sarcasm means to say something in ill manner. If you ask me, this monkey should be my food. अब मैं क्या चाहती हूँ? This monkey should be my food. मैं इस मंकी को खाना चाहती हूँ. I want to eat his heart so much. मैं इसका दिल खाना चाहती हूँ. What a foolish things to say, shouted the crocodile. Why the crocodile shouted? Because monkey was his friend. I can't kill a friend, though I won't mind a monkey occasionally for a change of taste. कोई और मंकी होता तो मैं माइंड नहीं करता उसको खाने के लिए. But this time, this monkey is my friend. You bring him here, ordered the wife. But wife said, no, you have to bring him here. उसे तुम्हें यहाँ लाना ही होगा. I want to see him, so you can eat him. Never, declared her husband. तो husband ने क्या कहा? The husband crocodile said, no, I will not bring him here. Otherwise, you will eat him. His wife was furious. His wife was very much angry, and she dived in to hide herself at the bottom of the river, leaving the little ones to pasture their father. Pasture to trouble. Now the wife was very angry, and she dived under the water to leave the little ones to trouble the father. उसने वो गुस्सा हो गई वाइफ, एंड उसने क्या करा? उसने बच्चों को वहीं फादर के पास छोड़ा और अंडर द वाटर चली गई. द क्रोकोडाइल वॉज इन अ सीरियस डिलेमा. डिलेमा मीन्स ही वॉज नॉट नोइंग वॉट टू डू. ही लव्ड हिज वाइफ एंड वॉज वेरी फंड ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड टू. वो अपनी वाइफ को भी पसंद करता था और अपने फ्रेंड को भी. फाइनली ही डिसाइडेड टू बी ऑन द साइड ऑफ हिज वाइफ. शी वॉज हिज लाइफ पार्टनर आफ्टर ऑल. अब वो अपनी लाइफ पार्टनर के साथ ही रहना पड़ता उसे. It was his, there was no choice. I know it's a sin to betray a friend. मुझे पता है this is a sin. एक पाप है to betray, to deceive a friend. अपने फ्रेंड को धोखा देना. But I have no choice. He said to himself, I will invite the monkey home and hope for the best. ठीक है, मैं मंकी को बुलाऊंगा, अपने साथ लेकर आऊँगा, देखते हैं. My wife wants you over for a meal, dear friend. Now the crocodile, he came to monkey and he said, my friend, my dear friend, my wife wants you over for a meal. मेरी वाइफ तुम्हें खाने पर बुलाना चाहती हैं. Crocodile, when he visited the monkey next, you must come home with me today. Now you should come with me. Monkey was very happy. Okay, sure. I am no swimmer, but I don't know how to swim. So the crocodile said, okay, you can ride on my back. ठीक है, तुम मेरी पीठ पर बैठ जाओ और मैं तुम्हें लेके चलूँगा. In the middle of the river, where the current was the strongest, where the stream was waving, where the current, like जहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा पानी का बहाव था, the crocodile could no longer hide his intention. Crocodile was not happy and he was not able to hide his intentions. अपने इरादे को छुपा नहीं पा रहा था. Sorry, my friend, he said hesitantly. जल्दबाजी में, बहुत जल्दबाजी में उसने कहा, बट आई हैव टू गो अंडर वाटर नाउ. मुझे अब पानी के अंदर जाना पड़ेगा. आई हैव ब्रॉट यू हेयर टू किल यू. माई फ्रेंड, आई ब्रॉट यू हेयर टू किल यू. माई वाइफ कैन नॉट सर्वाइव विदाउट ईटिंग योर हार्ट. मेरी वाइफ अब तुम्हारा दिल खाए बिना नहीं रह सकती है. गुड बाय. द क्रोकोडाइल वॉज नॉट वॉन्टिंग दिस, बट ही हैज़ टू डू. Now the monkey had an idea. Monkey was scared and distressed. बहुत ज़्यादा वो घबरा गया, डर गया. But he was sensible and clever, like all monkeys. He kept a cool head. Calmly he said, I will do anything for you and your family. You are my only friend after all. But what is a monkey's heart compared with the life of a crocodile's wife? ठीक है, आई एम गोइंग टू डू एवरीथिंग फॉर यू, मैं तुम्हारे लिए सब कुछ करूँगा और तुम्हारी फैमिली भी मेरी फैमिली जैसी है और तुम्हारी वाइफ के मुकाबले मेरा दिल है ही क्या. बट हाउ फुलिश कुड यू बी, वाई डिड नॉट यू टेल मी बिफोर, लेकिन तुमने मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया. आई वुड हैव ब्रॉट माई हार्ट अलोन, मैं अपने दिल को अपने साथ तो लाता. बट वे इज़ योर हार्ट, आस्क्ड द क्रोकोडाइल इनोसेंटली. आई थॉट यू कैरीड इट ऑल द टाइम. अब द क्रोकोडाइल वॉज नॉट सो क्लेवर. उसने कहा, अरे क्या तुम अपने दिल को अपने साथ नहीं रखते हो हमेशा. ऑफकोर्स नॉट, इट्स देयर ऑन द ट्री. माई हार्ट इज़ ऑन द ट्री. लेट स्विम बैक एट वंस एंड गेट इट. योर वाइफ मस्ट बी वेटिंग. ठीक है, एक काम करते हैं, हम जल्दी से चलते हैं पेड़ पर और उसको लेकर आते हैं. योर वाइफ मस्ट बी वेटिंग फॉर अस, रिप्लाइड द मंकी गेनिंग कॉन्फिडेंस. अब मंकी को थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया था. ओ डियर व्हाट अ मिस्टेक, हिज द क्रोकोडाइल. The crocodile hissed, oh my god, I have done a mistake. They laughed loudly as the crocodile took a full turn to reach the tree. Crocodile turned to again reach the tree. Now the monkey at once on the river side, he jumped onto the tree and heaved a deep sigh of relief. Sigh of relief means चैन की सांस लेना. मंकी जैसे ही पेड़ पर चढ़ा उसने चैन की सांस ली. ही plucked a fruit or two from the nearest branch and threw them down, said. Now he took a fruit from the branch and threw it down and said, let your wife have some fruit rather than my heart. Now monkey gave those fruits to crocodile and said, let your wife have some fruits only. Fresh fruits are good for mind and body. Goodbye friend, and if you don't mind we won't meet again. अब हम दोबारा कभी भी नहीं मिलेंगे. The crocodile, sadder and wiser, shed a few tears which were genuine and turned back to go home. Crocodile was very sad, but he shed some tears. कुछ उसने आंसू बहाए. Genuine था because the monkey was his friend, लेकिन वो बिल्कुल नहीं चाहता था कि वो monkey को मारे. He was in a hurry to tell his wife a thing or two. Now he wanted to make some stories to his wife, maybe कि monkey was not there on the tree or yeah, monkey escaped from me. Okay, so what he wanted to just leave that matter, and he was very happy. After all, his friend was saved. So this story is from Panchtantra, and this shows the relationship between friends. Okay, we are good friends, we should not deceive the other. Thank you.